Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have a fun card that we're using items from our Sale-a-bration catalog, which is going on now through the end of next month. And we're going to be using the Dainty Flowers designer paper, super gorgeous, page 6 of the Sale-a-bration brochure. Let me show you a quick sneak peek of all the beautiful patterns in here. So we have this one, love this, has a little bit larger, kind of medium flowers. And then this is the reverse side, which is a fun watercolor wash look. Then we have smaller flowers, very cute. And you can see the background is kind of textured on this paper. Then the back side of this is this beautiful blushing bride petal pink type of color. Then we have this one. I love this pattern because you can cut it in half, and this will make 6 card fronts. Super easy cards to do too. I love these things. And then the opposite side is this beautiful green pattern. Then we have this pattern. This is the one we're going to use today. We can cut this down. I'm going to put measurements on my blog, but this can make 6 different card fronts, plus you have 2 more in the center. So they've like taken this, instead of just doing 6, now you have 8 pieces that you can use. Then, oh, hold on. That's a watercolor. Is this the right side? Yeah, another watercolor wash paper. I thought that was the same. What's the difference? Very similar, very similar, but now you have 2 sheets. Okay, then we have this beautiful soft seafoam background with all the green leaves. Then a fun fresh freesia polka dot pattern on the other, which looks gorgeous with this pattern. Little small flowers in the green and the freesia. And then on the back we have this starry sky kind of, I don't know, a diamond pattern. I guess that's diamond pattern, but that also looks really pretty with, let me find it, well, with the watercolor, and gorgeous with that one too, because we do have some flowers in that dark starry sky color palette. Okay, so now that you've seen all the beautiful prints, you're going to want that. And we're also, that coordinates with the Dainty Delight bundle, which comes with a lot of these floral patterns and stamps. And then it comes with lots of great dies right here. And this is $54.75. So when you purchase this, you can get that Dainty paper for free. I mean, who doesn't want, you know, a $12 pack of paper for free? I know, I love free stuff. Okay. So here is the Dainty Delight stamp set. Here are the dies, lots of great dies. We're using just the little kind of daisy stamp or daisy dies. And this also comes with 4 sentiments, which we're going to use a couple of these too. All right, now I put these together the other day, and I know we have some new stampers. So really quickly, I left one of my stamps in the red rubber. And then this is the sheet of stickers. So I was just going to do a quick, put these together. Now on there's a matte side and then a shiny side. And so the shiny side, each sticker is cut in half. The backing is cut in half. So you peel that off, leave the sticky sticker in there. Don't touch that. The second you pick that up, you're asking for trouble. Okay, then we pull the stamp out of the rubber, peel off this paper backing. So now we have just a smooth, kind of shiny finish on that side. And then you put your stamp so that it, you know, it's going the same way. And you can easily see the edges of where the die cut sticker is. Just press it in that open spot, peel it off, and it's perfect. It's right there. Then you just stick them in your stamp set. They don't come out. You can look on the back and see which stamp you want easily without having to decipher, because I can't read that. So I just look at them on the back and then see which one I want and pull that one out. Super easy to put these red rubber stamps together. And then I just throw out the extra. I don't need that. Okay, let's get started with our project. Okay, so I am using a piece of, I can't remember if this is Petal Pink or Blushing Bride. I feel like it's Blushing Bride, but I'm not sure. I'll post it. We did these in a special class I had for some team members. We did this last Friday, and I was kind of saving this one to do here because it's super quick and easy. And I cut some die pieces, which I think I left at my die machine. Anyway, I will post the measurements and colors and supplies on here. So I've cut out my my wreath that was in our designer paper. I'm just going to layer this on a piece of Mossy Meadow cardstock. Okay. And then you could, I mean, technically it could go this way, which looks beautiful because it the wreath kind of goes this way, or you could go sideways, which is where I'm going with this today. I think I like it going this way best. So I've got a little piece of this, I think it's Old Olive, but it also goes well with the Mossy Meadow ribbon. This is from the annual catalog. This comes in a pack of 2 different ribbons. So I'll post that in the supplies as well. Whoops. And I'm just going to tape this ribbon right across the center. This is just like the easiest card ever to do. We're going to adhere this to our card base. All right, which way? I think I said I was going to go this direction with it. Okay, and now I've cut an oval with one of our frame dies. I will post that as well because I don't remember. Then we're going to stamp, whoops, thank you for your kindness, right in the middle. I have not even used this stamp yet. So when you get a brand new stamp, whether it's the red rubber or the clear photopolymer, rough it up a little bit. Rough it up on your paper. That will help the ink stick a little bit better to those brand new stamps because they haven't been used yet. Okay, I am going to stamp thank you for your kindness right in the middle. Ooh, that looks so nice. My ink pad looks juicy, so I'm going to let that dry for just a second. Then there's another sentiment. It says, sending love during this season of growth, which, you know, not necessarily a thank you stamp, but sending love can absolutely be a little thank you. Right there. Okay. Give it a little wind to make sure that it's dry. All right, now we're going to pop up our oval. Putting pop-ups on the top and the bottom because I don't like sticking my elements to the ribbon itself, because that will make it wobbly. Now this oval fits perfectly right in here. Okay. Now let's dress this up just a little bit. I am going to grab my flowers. I've die cut 2 of the full little Dainty daisies and 2 half daisies. And then there's a little die that cuts out 4 of these fun little centers in one. So I only had to run this through, and that's soft suede that I used. So let's grab our mini dimensionals, and we're going to pop up our flowers. That one's going to go right in the middle. Okay, I think I'm not sticking this to, well, you know what? I think I am going to stick it to that. All right, now I'm going to take my half daisy, and I'm using a mini pop-up or mini dimensional, and part of it is sticking out, and that's okay because we're going to use that. I'm going to do that one right next to it. Let's do another one. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to stick it onto the paper for this one. I'm going to not put it on the oval. And with this one, we're just doing half on and half off. And I'm going to pop this one up on the paper, on the oval. Okay, now we're going to put these on. Whoops. Oh, I picked up my loose. I've got a couple of pick tools. I think one's downstairs in my to-go class bag. I'm going to put just a little drop of Tombow adhesive on my full flowers. Okay, let's pick up this. Just gonna pop that right on there. Okay, grab this one. Super quick and easy to do. Now I'm gonna grab this and I'm going to stick this right onto that piece of dimensional that's showing. And that's gonna hold that in place. I mean, how quick and easy is that? So very quick and easy, let me tell you. All right, now you could use any gems that you want. I'm going to use just some of my basic rhinestone jewels because these are great for everything. Super versatile. I'm just gonna stick on 4, 2 on either side, just to add a little bit of bling, and that is it. Isn't that cute and sweet? And quick too. So, you know, you don't want to, sometimes you just want something that's quick and cute. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. I'm sure we'll be doing other projects using this gorgeous Dainty Delight bundle because it is really pretty. I love these flowers. So I will post a link below if you'd like to place an order for that bundle. You get the paper for free, so don't forget to do that. Use the host code below as well, please. And don't forget, next Thursday, or this coming Thursday, we have an online class, and I'm super excited about it. All right, I'll show a sneak peek on Monday. All right, see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.